devices. Okay, network devices. Already we discussed this topologies, like what is topology, mesh topology, star topology, bus topologies, ring topology, and then hybrid topologies. Okay, so today we'll discuss about network devices. These are very important as far the point of exam. So you just keep in mind that network devices, each and every device, you know thoroughly what is use of that devices, and how we can use it. Okay, so there are different devices like hubs, repeater, bridge, switch, routers, and gateways. Okay, so basically we are discussing the use and how they enhance the networking facilities. Okay, firstly we discuss about repeaters. As the name suggests, what is the name? Repeaters. Then what it use? It repeats something. So a repeater operate at a physical layer. Remember this point. This point is very important. Note it down. This point. Okay, this point, physical layer. Because MCQs type question, there will be a question like repeater work on which place, like physical layer, data link layer, network layer, whatever that it is. A repeater work on physical layers. Its jobs to regenerate the signals over the same network before the signal become weak or corrupted. So the extend the length to which the signal is transmitted over the same networks. Okay, basically repeaters work is that like step up and step down. Like you know that if you are using in your house there is electricity, which will become to step down method. Like we are having a pole of 1100 kilowatt of electricity is there, then a transformer step down and 240 or 220 electricity come in your house. So that is the signal is waking, then signal is corrupt. The same thing we are using repeaters. Repeaters means what? if if you're transferring a message from one destination to other destination, then it will be get corrupted or get its strength will be weak. So for that purpose we regenerate its strength, or to transmit over a long period of time or long length of that much. So you require it. For that purpose you have to uh, enhance their energy or give them energy. Or if get corrupted, to means what? If message or that get corrupted, then you have to be means retrieve that message and again transfer it. Okay, so this is the main reason why we use the repeaters. And do not basic thing, if you are thinking about that repeater amplify the signal, it is not good. When signal become weak, then the copy of original signal bit by bit regenerated. What is that? Bit by bit it regenerated, not amplified it. Okay, repeater is not amplified. Okay, it just uh, we can call a signal become weak, then it is just then copy the signal bit by bit and regenerate the original strength. And it is a two port device. Okay, two port means what? That we call like here, uh, just please it is visible. Okay, like what happens if your this is your device and this one is your device. Okay, so uh, like this is your repeater. So it take two port. It is a two port device. Like it is taking from this point. What happens? Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, then from this point to this point we call that. Okay, I'm sure with the. Okay, message is coming here, and the signal of message or strength of message is weak. So this is our repeater. This is R. Then it is one port for receiving. Okay, and other port for sending message. Means what? Enhanced message is sent to the other node. Okay, so that's why if if any exam, if there is a question like how many ports are there in repeaters, so basically there are two ports for input, for output device. It's okay. Then we'll continue about hubs. Hub is basically a multi-port repeater. What is that? It is also a repeater. What is that? Repeater. The basic work of repeater to enhance the your signal strength. Okay, it is not amplified. Basically, it just regenerated the your strength. Okay, means what, collecting the beat by bit information and then again retransmit it. Okay, the hub is connect multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, connector in star topologies, or which we call hubs. And then basic thing is that basically hub is also a repeater, but it has multiple port. Okay, the star topology in that multiple systems are connected to different stations. For that purpose we use hub. Hub cannot filter the data. Basically hubs cannot filter the data, so that the packets are sent all constant one, or they do not our intelligence that which packet we have to send on which place. So hubs are just like a repeater. Okay, then types of hub. Right now there are basically two types of hubs are there. Active hubs, these are the hubs which have their own power supply and can clean and boost. Okay, uh, relay signals along with the network. It serves both a repeater as well as wiring centers. Okay, just a minute. Sorry, disturbance are there. Uh, Basically, repeaters, sorry, hubs are two type: active hubs. Okay, means what they clean, means what they can has their own power supply and clean and boost the signals. Okay, it serves both the repeater as well as wiring centers. They are used to extend maximum distance between the nodes. If there are means there is distance is in between two nodes are very high, uh, very long, then in that case we use hubs. Then passive hubs, these are the hubs which collect the wiring from nodes and power supply from the active hubs. These hubs are signal they are these hubs are signal onto network with cleaning and boosting them. Okay, and can't be used to extend the maximum distance between the nodes. So passive hubs just collecting the information. They are not cleaning and boosting, just is collecting and transferring. Okay, they are just from power supply from just the power supply clean and just work as a repeaters and then supply to the other nodes, just like without cleaning and or this boosting them. Okay, so remember that active and passive hubs are there. Basically two hubs are there. Hubs means what, multi-port repeater is simple way that hubs are the multi-port repeaters. Okay, that's why I'm telling you that repeater is a single layer, and hub also work on which layer? It's work on physical layers. So note it down this point also. Then we'll discuss about bridges. Okay, firstly the repeaters and hubs are work on physical layers. Then we'll discuss about bridges. Bridges operate on data link layer. Bridges is a repeater with add-on functionalities. Okay, what is that functionality? It filters the content by reading the MAC address of the source and destination. So bridges are used to means which if there is one bridge, then it identify which message is coming from which MAC address, and this message means what, if MAC means what, bridge has received some message, then it will identify this message will send to what MAC address. So they have an intelligence property also that we call, means what, they can do one thing that according to MAC address they assign the packets or signals to that destination or source. Okay, it also used to interconnecting two LANs. Okay, it has signal input and signal output port, and thus making two port device. Bridges also two port device. Remember this one, bridges are only two port devices. Then types of bridges are there. Two types of bridges means what? Two types of bridges are there: transparent bridge and source routing bridge. Okay, uh, transparent. These are the bridge in which station are completely unaware of the bridge's existence. Okay, means if you are having a means LAN is there, then it is completely unaware that you are having a bridge or not. Whether or not a bridge is added or deleted from the network configuration, the station is unnecessary. This bridge make use of two process, bridge forwarding and bridge learning. Okay, then source routing bridge. In this bridge, routing operation is performed by source destination and frames specify which route to follow it. Means what? Basically, we are discussed in last lecture that uh, bridges work like as I told you that bridges work on data link layer. So that in data link layer, the frames are there, as we discussed in last lecture. That if you don't know about that, in data link layer we are using frames. So bridges first means what, sending frames one frame to other frame and they discover the path with the help of bridges. Okay, the next switches. Again, this like a bridge is a two-port device. Okay, as like a repeater. But again, we are discussed that bridges is used. Then we use that we call hubs. Then hub is a multi-port device. Then again, bridges is also a single port device. Sorry, two-port device. Then switch is a multi-port device with buffer and designing that boosts efficiency. Remember this, with buffer and designing that can be boost efficiency and the performance. A basic thing is what the switches has buffer means what, if some message is coming like if you are sending a message text message to your friend, then it will goes to message center and where that it will deliver to particular number. Okay, if that number is not in means network, so that message will be means what, they are buffer in somewhat that message center and then it will deliver to that number. Okay, the same thing we are done with the switch. Means what, if you are sending some message to destination, then if destination is working with other fields or it is not alive, okay, it is not in network, so it will just buffer the message and whenever the uh, uh, destination comes online or it is live, then it will send that message to. Okay, then also it boosts the efficiency. Means what, if the signal get corrupted or weak in energy, then they can they give and means what, they regenerate the signals, not give a energy but they regenerate the signals. Okay, switches is a data link layer device, remember this one. uh, this switch can perform error checking. Error forwarding means what, before forwarding means they will check the error. As we told, just I told you that they will check the performance, like if is there is error in that, then it will check it and then forward. That makes very efficient and does not forward packet that have errors and forward good packets selective or correct port only. Okay, means what, they have means what, they have some algorithm on that way they work, like they are selecting a packet which have means not having any error or not get corrupted, and then they will send to particular port only, not a different port. Means what, whatever the port assigned to send that packet or message, that packet will send it with the help of switch. Means what, in otherwise we can say that collision domain of host and broadcast remains same. Okay, means what, whatever the message is coming in, like as we discuss in that we call uh, in last lecture, that we are discussing if we are having nodes like this only. These are multi nodes are there. There are multiple nodes that we are sending message from this port, and then we are having here switch. This is our switch. Then it take message from this line. Okay, and it's sent to multiple port. So whatever node we are having, it send the message to multiple port. Means what? This is input data and this is output. Okay, means we're going out from the switch. This is our switch. Okay, this is our switch. Okay, it is a multi-port device. So before forwarding the message, that's what switch is a intelligent device. Before forwarding the message, it will check the error and then transfer. Okay, to particular node with the destination, proper destination. If there is a proper destination is there, then it will transfer the data, otherwise not. It also buffer the data. It is also used to buffer the data. Means what? They can use to collect the data also. Means what? They are collecting the data. Remember this point. Okay, I will discuss next point. So I think so you understand what is mean by switch. Then next, routers is a device like a switch that the router's data packet based on IP address. Okay, router is mainly network layer device. uh, Note it down this point. Hubs works means repeater work in physical layer. Hubs also work in physical layer. Bridges work in which layer? Data link layer. Okay, then switch work in data link layer. Okay, then next, router work in network layer. Remember this point, router work on network layer. It is the same work like switch work is done, same as that router work. Okay, means what? They are collecting the data and sending to different routers. I mean multi-port devices there. Router is like a switch that routes the path. Route means what? Path means what? Whatever the packets are coming to routers, they are collected by the router and particular path or route they define. On that route they forward the packet. Like just show you an example. Like same here. A message is coming from this node to router. This is our router. So router is a very intelligent device. It work on data what? Network layer. Okay, not a data link layer. It work on network layer. So it will correct all the packets that are coming from this node, and then it will distribute according to the address, IP address. Okay, on network layer there is an IP address. So particular IP address they are sending. Okay, on particular IP address they are sending the packets. As we discussed in last lecture, network layer having a packet. Okay, so they are sending a package for particular destination. They're having different algorithm to send this packet. Like uh, uh, we'll discuss in router how the router works, and router they have their own tables. Okay, they are means what? Router is a mainly network device. Router update the routing table. They maintain their table on which means what? If there is a means like I just tell you this. If uh, this is your MAC address, okay, and IP address, particular IP address and MAC address, they look in that, and they maintain their table. Means they maintain the table. Okay, they make maintain the table on which device and which IP address we have to send the data. Means IP, then the packet, whatever the destination they have, whatever the route, the minimum route they have. Okay, they send it. Okay, like here also, if there is some device, network device is there, then from this packet to this packet will send it data from this node to this node. So all these details are there. We'll discuss in more when we'll discuss about algorithm, what router use which routing tables and how the routing table works and how the algorithm works. So we'll discuss in more detail on router. Okay, so this is router. Then gateway. Okay, gateway as the name suggests, as the name as just like our gatekeeper is there on gate. So passage to connect the network together, that the main work upon different basically uh, means it work like that. If you come on or net or gate, and then there is a one security guard, and then they will ask to you which department you have to go and which person you have to meet it. Okay, they note it down, and then they will guide you that move to south block or north block, whatever hall numbers. Okay, whichever the place we have to go, they give the direction. That's the same way the gateway work. Okay, okay, is a passage to connect two network together. Okay, how the network are connecting may work upon different networking models. Okay, they have work on different network, like our institute, there is north block and there is a south block. So in the south block, which person are sitting on north block, which person are sitting, btech classes are going on which block. So detail they will told you that basically the work as a messenger agent that takes data from one system, interrupt it and transfer to another system. Okay, like that, if you're calling someone to Nilate, someone is calling to Nilate, then it will call comes to first operator, then operator ask you some question that which whatever you talk to with what person you want to talk, then then they will ask you question, they will transfer the call to that person. The same way the gateway works. Okay, gateway are more complex than switch and routers. Okay, then we'll discuss about cables. Different types of cables are there, like such like coaxial cables are there. Okay, and then optical cables are there. uh, They are use twisted pair cables. You know about that, I think so. We're using depending network physical means whatever the layer we are using, like a topology purpose or physical layers. So this they can be separated by few meters, like Ethernet cables or ultimate destination means interconnection layer, internet wires are there. So different cables are you aware about that, like what is mean by coaxial cable, optical fibers cable, or twisted pair. Okay, I think so. Today we'll stop here. Already we are late. So tomorrow's lecture we'll discuss about this optical fibers, coaxial cable patches. Okay, so we'll stop here today, and we'll meet next lecture.